To enable and use app categories notifications in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications right here, and then you can go to the advanced settings. Find the manage notifications categories for each app and activate it. When this option is enabled, you can scroll all the way down to the apps section right here and then pick whichever app you like. In this example, we're gonna go for Gmail, as I think it offers the great amount of options available. So we can go to notifications right here, make sure that allow notifications is enabled, and then you can go to notification categories. After that, you'll be able to enable or disable different behaviors for your notifications. So here in Gmail, for example, if I receive mail, I can turn this off, and that way I won't see notifications coming when I receive a mail. We can enable it, and if you see this small line next to the switch, you can enter it, and that way customize options for that specific category. You can receive alerts, silence it like we did a second ago, show those notifications as pop-ups, and we can also change the individual sound and specific sounds for those categories. We can enable or disable vibrations for them and manage if they should not be visible on the lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.